Hi, it's Red Snapper and welcome to the Showgirl's Closet. Today we are celebrating my birthday. Yay for me! I was alive another year. Woohoo! And we are celebrating with a Catherine D'Lish robe unboxing. Ooh la la! I have this wonderful makeshift table. Nutmeg is absolutely fascinated by what's happening here. This makeshift table which contains 3 other robes. Crazy, right? You get to witness me unboxing this robe. I'm so excited. This is recyclable. The box is recyclable.
I mean, it's cardboard, so
yeah. Of course it's recyclable.
Of course it's
I mean, it says I'm recyclable.
Yeah, no shit, FedEx.
Right? This required a signature, so know that when you get something from Catherine D'Lish, it's signature upon delivery, which means you need to make sure somebody's at home to sign for your package. But that also means you are less likely to endure porch pirates. All right, here we go into the box. Nutmeg's very excited about this moment. I wish this had one of those little pull tabs. This is where we discover there's one at the other end, right? Wait, I'm losing my crown. Oh no!
There's a full tab at the other end. Nice.
Yeah, okay. This is where we are now, okay? So if anything is backwards or upside down, this is why. Oh, I think, do I need to flip it over? It's based on the box. Okay. Here we go. Who wants a box? Look at that. It is perfectly giftable the way it arrives. I'm just peeping this way in case there's my taxpayer name on anything. Ta-da! Look at that. That's so lovely. Nice little sticker and gold. We've got somebody mountain climbing on the box. Ta-da! Here's the sash for the robe. Here's the nutmeg for the robe. It's like, that's my outfit. And the robe itself. Now this does not have any instructions for the care and feeding of the robe, probably because it doesn't have any ostrich. There are no ostrich boas or no marabou stitched to the thing that could require extra special care. Or I have that floofy robe that needed to be, shaken out, and there were some notes in there on how to take care of that. Okay. Here we go, all folded up. So let me get some stuff out of the way and then I can show you the robe. All right, let's unfurl this, shall we, Nutmeg? Unfurling at Nutmeg. Look at that. Oh, look at this. So then this, it has a sash on it, so this must be a little bonus sash. So I could, ooh, okay, here we go. I got a bonus sash. So I got to do something with it. This is not your sash, Nutmeg. There we go. I'm perfectly ridiculous. Okay, that's not going to work. Okay. All right. So the sash, this is really nice because it's all stitched on right here. Top stitched to the waist. That's probably, oh, it's gonna drag like that for me, I'm sure. You excited about this? Nutmeg's very excited. This is the Celine dressing gown. I got it for myself for my birthday. Yay, thanks to the support of my patrons over on Patreon. And I think this may go with a gold corset and panel skirt that I made last summer. I'm very happy about that. I just want to show some details here. It has these really nice pleats in the front. And I love the closures. So these are these nice, juicy snaps stitched on with matching thread and covered so that you don't really see the snap when you take this off on stage. And then there's another one inside. Oh, and we've got more pleats here on the other side of this thing. So this is the left side of the gown. More pleats and another really nice juicy snap. And inside, this is how you know it is a Catherine D'Lish gown. It has the tag. This is a medium. Now, I know I talk about sales all the time. I got this on sale. That is what had me willing to treat myself for my birthday. I was like, oh, this is on sale and this is a good color for me. All right, I'm going to put this baby on over a sweater. We'll see how that goes for me. The sweater adds extra waistline. There we go. All right. We've got a little tie. I love that I don't have to worry about the tie just slipping off, because that's something with the backstage kimonos. Just slips right off. Okay. I know Nutmeg wants to take this for her very own. Oh, and Chowder wants my tennis shoes. Everybody wants something here. All right. Here we go. The arms, it's very nice, very elegant. Especially with fuzzy socks. Because it's winter, you want to take the fuzzy socks. There you go. Let me help you a little bit. Okay, go ahead. There you go. Good job. So you can see the front. It's really lovely. The gown is lovely. Here's the back. Let's see if I can get it to... Well, Nutmeg definitely likes it. Hey, what are you doing? All right, there's the back. You can see the train here. That's really nice. It hasn't been steamed. You were here for the whole thing. It hasn't been pressed. It's fresh out of the package. So before taking it on stage, I would, or doing a photo shoot in it, I would want to press everything. Oh, this is nice too. Just like the big leopard robe. What are you doing? This is lined on the inside with the same fabric. Are you chewing on my robe? She's putting the robe over the sock. And then such a mess. Okay, the inside is lined with the same fabric. So it's very smooth and you don't get the underside of fabric on stage. So it looks finished because it's finished. What are you? Don't feast on my socks. What are you doing? You are a mess. You're both messes. She wants the other sock. This is my life now. Here, let me help you. Let me start you off a little bit. There you go. The stripping dog. And let's see. I don't know that I could get the same kind of, it's not incredibly full in the front like some of the robes. Of course, if you look at what's on the website, you can see how full things are. But it's full enough for me to put it over Nutmeg. It's nice. It's parade and pose. but I wouldn't say that this is the same. This is a robe that you could necessarily do the same kind of wide work with that you could do with one of the bigger robes that have a greater span, but it sure does look elegant, I have to say. Okay, let's see. I mean, open span, not super long at the edges. It's not like a big full panel skirt, but also it's not designed to be a full panel skirt. So when you buy a robe, make sure that what you buy suits your particular needs. This suits my needs just fine for how I plan to use it. And it's just lovely, it's just a lovely color. Yay! Happy birthday to me! Wait, I need to put my hat back on. Hold on, you dogs. There we go, yay! Now I have my crown on, woohoo! Love this robe. If you have questions about my experience or anything like that, you come back with my sock! Then please feel free to reach out. Do you have your own Catherine D'Lish robe and you want to chit chat about it? Then please, let's talk in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, boop that bell for notifications. Happy birthday to me! Woo! And you'll see me next time. Bye!